Damn straight. All right, so now what we have to do is print those sweaters. What's up, everyone? We are doing some hoodies today. I have to get those done. I'm pretty sure I will get them done today. It's already 2. But I was trying to get hats, man. Hats are just not available right now anywhere. So I was trying to get some hats. 5-color print. We already have this print. I don't know where it's at, but it's somewhere here, which I need to find it because that's what I'm going to use to guide myself. It's right here. So this is the print that we're going to use, or that we're going to do. 5-color print. Let's see how it comes out. And I'm gonna keep this right here, just so I can use it as a guide. And yeah, let's get it.
I've been staring at the sun in my eyes. I've been keeping on the run every night. But you're too far away to see the signs. So I'm staring at the sun till I'm dry. 'Cause I need to learn to forget everything that drags me.
So we got it all done. This is the one that I just printed. This was our sample. Damn straight. All right, so now what we have to do is print those sweaters. We're gonna do the backs right now, knock them out. More stuff just showed up right now, so I think I already cover all the registration marks. I have to double check that. Once I have that done, then I'm just gonna start printing, and let's see how it comes out.
I've been counting down the days to get out. I've been looking for a way from this town. And you're too far away to help me now. So I'm counting down the days to get out. 'Cause I need to learn to forget everything that drags me down. I need to forget everything inside me now. Full speed ahead, fly from the end. So I'm full speed ahead. Full speed ahead. Full speed ahead. I've been staring at the sun in my eyes. I've been keeping on the run every night. But you're too far away, you're too far away to see the signs. So I'm staring at the sun till I'm dry. 'Cause I need to learn to forget everything that drags me down. I need to forget everything inside me now. Full speed ahead, far from the end. So I'm full speed ahead. Full speed.
All those sweaters are done, completely finished, the front and back. It took a little bit longer than what I thought. I thought it was going to be a little bit faster, but at the end of the day, it's all good that we finished them. Tomorrow I'm probably going to start those shirts for sure, and then this is the same print. I just need to add that print to those hoodies. I didn't print those hoodies, they were already printed and they brought them to me, so I have to add those to tomorrow's work. And then we have the bandanas, so I'm gonna leave those till the end. This is it for me today. We'll see you on the next one.